Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we're going to be making some baked mac and cheese. Baked mac and cheese, mac and cheese, mac and cheese. One of my favorite foods of all time is mac and cheese, so we're going to make some. Normally I would use elbow mac and cheese, but I already had this, so this is what we're going to make. Or this is what we're going to use. So, let's get to it. First, we're going to obviously boil our noodles, and we are using chicken broth instead of water for added flavor. And we're just obviously going to do the whole entire box. Obviously, if you need to make more, make more. And we are gonna cook this al dente, so like 7 minutes. I'm gonna use a bunch of different cheeses. I'm gonna use sharp cheddar, Colby Jack, mozzarella, and Monterey Jack. I wanted to get block cheese of all of them, but they were out, so I had to get shredded of Monterey Jack. But whatever. Good a bowl. We're shredding some chicken. Cheese, not chicken. Cheese is grated. Lovely, lovely. Noodles are in the pot. Now we wait. While we wait for the noodles, we're gonna make our custard. We need 3 eggs. Whiskey business. Got here whiskey business. Looks like eggnog. Okay, the noodles are done. We're gonna add sour cream, seasoning, and butter, and some cheese. First, butter. Melt her away. One, 2, season with love. Black pepper, paprika. Whoa! Salt. Dash of ground mustard. That seems like a dash. And a dash of nutmeg. And we're adding a bit of the cheesy wheezy. I stirred the cheese together so that it's a blend of all of them. The noodles, obviously, cheese, and then our milk mixture. This is a huge pan. I don't have a 9x13. Well, I might, but I can't find it. I'm gonna do noodles first. This is gonna be 2 layers. I'm gonna preheat the oven while I'm doing this, 375. My pan might be a little too big. Sprinkling a bit of paprika on top for color. When the oven's ready, we're gonna stick it in the oven for 40 minutes. Jacob's making coffee at the worst time ever. Okay, see you in a minute. The mac and cheese is done. Let's take her out of the oven. Grab your handy dandy Hello Kitty mitts. Oh my goodness. Oops. Shall we have a look? She's beauty, she's grace. Now let's try this. Ooh, ee. Oh, oh. Yummy, yummy gumdrops. Not focusing. It's gonna be really hot, but must try mac and cheese. Cheers. Oh my word, that's hot. Mmm, cheesy. Maggie and cheesy. Ooh. Delicious. Cheesy mac. Okay, well, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go finish my mac and cheese. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Merry Christmas. Pew pew pew. Merry Christmas.